Hey buddies, welcome to a new video on my channel, and today we're gonna install some performance parts. For one, it's an exhaust cutback system from Borla and a Mishimoto intake hose. Yeah, so that's actually the part we're gonna install right now, and then we take a look at the exhaust system and install the exhaust. First we're gonna take a look at the stock intake system and that huge silencer in there. Okay, so here we got the stock intake hose, and you see that huge silencer on here, so we're gonna get rid of all that, and we got the new part. Let's see what the new part looks like. So it actually comes in a really nice package. We opened it already just to make sure everything is alright in there, but yeah. So here we got the intake hose, that's what it looks like. So once we got the old one out, we're gonna compare it to this one. Yeah, so yeah, so that's what it looks like. It's blue, obviously. Okay, so it came with this part and also with 2 clamps. Yeah, that's about it. That's all what's in this kit. Okay, we removed the engine cover. That was easy. So we already loosened the clamps. Where's the fucking socket? Yeah. Like that. So this cable is attached to the back of the silencer, so you have to get rid of that. Okay, once that is done, so that gives us a little bit more play in the whole situation. Get it off here, get it off here, get the clamp back off here, right there. Alright, so this is good to go in the trash. Okay, and now the new hose is coming in. Which direction you want to have the clamp?
I want the screws facing the back. And I think they are different size, right?
Yeah. That's a 8694. That is a 8694. That's not a different size.
Okay.
Okay. So I put it on here. Don't worry about that. Somebody broke it. Well, you got some silicone spray or something?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what the fuck? That's stiff as fuck, man. That's glass right here.
Let's get out.
Alright. Yeah, we have to turn it a little bit more. Kind of this way.
Yeah, I like the look. You need help?
Wait, yeah. Close that cap up there.
Wait.
Because somebody lifted the truck and everything is kind of far away and hard to reach. What was that? What was that?
I don't know.
I just have seen like plastic pieces flying around. Okay, so that's supposed facing this way, so we got this back on there. We got the clamp back on there if you have strong hands. And now, yeah, that's pretty much it. So now we have to fasten the clamps, and that is basically how you install the intake. That's pretty easy, and we're gonna listen to it in a minute. But first, we're gonna install the exhaust. The new exhaust system is a Borla Type S stainless steel exhaust system. It's a resonator system, and yeah, this is the old exhaust system. So we have replaced all this, and we're gonna take a look underneath the car to see how the new resonator looks like, and then we do a sound check too. So here's the new exhaust. Yeah, so it flames on right there, and then it's going back all the way to there, and that says it's a Borla S series or S type. Yeah, so that's what the exhaust tip looks like. Yeah. Alright buddies, so that's it about the Tacoma video from the exhaust and the intake system. And yeah, by driving it inside it's not so loud, it's not creating any vibrations or anything, and I think it's a pretty nice setup. And yeah, if you liked the video, subscribe to the channel and we're gonna see us next time.
Okay.